What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video, a short video. The thing is, I don't have a computer and I pretty much can't live without one. It's been a week right now since I don't have a computer. So what happened is my MacBook just messed up, so I dropped it at the shop. They told me it's there's like a hard drive problem. They will fix it, but at the same time I think it's time for me to have a desktop computer at my house, because for the past 7 years I've been using my MacBook. It's pretty much old. So what happened is, last Thursday, last Thursday I went to Best Buy and I bought a Dell computer, but I haven't used PC in like 7 or 8 years. There's nothing wrong with the computer, but the main reason why I took it back 3 days later is because I find out that Windows, they don't have Windows Movie Maker anymore. I was like, whoa, they don't even have that anymore. And the only thing you can use now is Premiere, which I have to pay about $20 a month, or I can pay for a year. And I'm like, look, that YouTube thing I'm doing, I'm not making any money. As you can see, I only have 44 subscribers. If something I'm just doing for fun now and see where it goes. On my MacBook, I use iMovie, which is free, and I like I think I like Apple product better because I'm used to it now. So I'm just gonna go to Best Buy right now and try to buy an iMac. I mean, I just got home. It's like 8 o'clock now, so they close I think 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna see if I can find one. So I can edit my videos on iMovies. Maybe later I can pay for Final Cut Pro, but for now I'm not trying to pay money just to edit video. Now I know for PC there's some free software that you can edit video on, but they look really cheesy, so I just can't do it. Alright, so there gonna be an update to the channel. So right now I'm working on a logo for the channel. The one that I have now is just it looks bad. It's just something that I do for now, but I am working on a logo for the channel. All right, let's go to Best Buy. And yes, I'm not taking this card. I'm cannot take. All right, I'm not taking this car. I'm just gonna take my Honda. So let's get there. All right, let's start this baby up. This was my first car. I have this car for about 8 years now, right after high school, and it's still kicking now. It's about 200,000 miles on it. I don't really show it on the channel that much because I don't think it's that. Maybe I should make a review on that Honda. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, I'm inside here right now. Looks like I'm going to get Focus. I'm going to get this one right here with the 4K on it, and 21.5 inch 4K. Yep. This isn't what I really wanted, but since Apple the spec that I wanted, I would have to order it and wait until after Christmas to get it. I didn't really need the 4K, but oh well. And plus, there's a $200 off right now, so I will definitely buy that computer right now. Okay guys, I just got back home. It's dark, so I could not film and do all that at the same time, but I will show you the spec that I get. This is it, and this is the spec right here. It's a 21.5 inch 4K. I didn't really need 4K, I just needed the 1080p, but it was on the hard drive and I don't want hard drive, so if I order it I had to wait like 2 weeks and a half just to get it. So I just got one. It has the fusion drive and all that, so yeah. So finally now I have a computer. I can edit my video. Now this is gonna be in my office, my MacBook. So on Monday I have to pick it up. I'm still gonna use that for school and other stuff, but that one will be my main computer for editing. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and tell me what you think about the computer. So if I don't like it, I have about 15 days to bring it back to Best Buy, but I don't think I'm gonna take it back. All right, see you guys later. Peace out.